Okay, well, so today we will start the next topic of the unit fifth, that is derivation of numerical aperture and acceptance angle. So basically, this topic is very important for your examination point of view, and there is only a single derivation in the optical fiber section. So the chances of this question in your maybe in your examination is very high. So this derivation is very small, but some basic concept will be used. So I will explain each and everything in a very simpler manner. Okay, so I'm just considering this geometry. You know, okay, what is cladding and core I already explained in the last lecture. So the refractive, here I am considering an optical fiber in which the refractive index of core and cladding is n1 n2, and n0 is the refractive index of air which is outside the fiber. Let's say the light is light falls at an angle, let's say theta naught, and coupled to this fiber, and the light, light is going from air to some medium, that is some material. So the light will refract. So this angle will be changed. This angle becomes, let's say, theta 1, and after that light is reached to the point C. After this point A, light is reaching to the point C, and I'm just drawing a normal at C which cut this dotted line. This dotted line is also a normal at point B, and let's say this angle is theta 2. Now, if I assume if this angle is equals to theta C, then the light will follow this path. If this angle is greater than theta C, that means theta 2 is greater than, then light will follow this path and total internal reflection will takes place. So these are the formula, these are the two things which are mentioned here. We will derive by using this simple mathematics. So I am just using the Snell law at point A. स्नेल लॉ हम कहाँ लगा रहे हैं? ए पॉइंट पर हम स्नेल लॉ को यूज कर रहे हैं. यू कैन सी लाइट किस एंगल पे आ रही है. लाइट इज इंसिडेंट एट एन एंगल थीटा नॉट एंड रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स क्या है? एन नॉट. सो नाउ द स्नेल लॉ बिकम्स द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स एंड द एंगल एंगल ऑफ दैट साइन ऑफ द एंगल, वट एवर बी द एंगल. बट नाउ अब इससे लाइट कहाँ जा रही है? लाइट इज गोइंग टू द अदर मीडियम having the refractive index n1 into sine of the angle. किस एंगल पर पास हो रही है? This angle is theta 1. So this becomes n0 sin theta naught equals to n1 sin theta 1. Remember, जिस एंगल से लाइट आ रही है उस एंगल का साइन इंटू उस मीडियम का रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स. जिस मीडियम में लाइट जा रही है, in which medium light is propagated, the refractive index of that medium and the product with the sine of the angle at which the light coupled to that medium. मतलब जिस एंगल पर लाइट उस मीडियम में कपल आपकी हो रही है. जैसे कि यहाँ आपकी जो लाइट कपल हो रही है, दिस लाइट इज बेसिकली कपल एट एन एंगल थीटा 1. ओके, सो दैट्स व्हाई वी आर कंसीडरिंग हियर. क्या कंसीडर किया है कि ये हमने साइन ऑफ थीटा 1 कंसीडर किया. अब in triangle ABC, let's say this triangle is ABC and the B angle is 90. So the sum of theta 1 and this angle theta 2 will be equals to 90 because B is 90. If I assume what I consider here, the minimum condition of the light coupled to the fiber is the angle of the angle interface, core cladding interface angle is equals to angle of critical angle. So this, if I assume it, then I can put in place of theta 2 theta C. So the sin theta 1 becomes 90 minus, अब 90 को इधर ले, simple mathematics. Now put this value in equation in above. इस equation में मैं theta 2 की value को theta 1 की value को रख देंगे. So then what will happen? This side will be remain same, n1 sin 90 minus theta C. Now you know that sin 90 minus theta is equals to cos theta. So this becomes n0 sin theta naught equals to n1 cos theta C. That's equation number 1. Now I am just moving forward and I am applying the Snell law at this point C. Light is entering at an angle theta 2 and refractive index is n1. So the left hand side becomes n1 into sine of theta 2 is equals to, if I assume this angle is 90, because theta, I am assuming theta 2 equals to theta c, so this light will propagate in this way, and the refractive index of the cladding is n2, so this becomes n2 sine 90. So finally this the simplified form of this expression, you will put the value of sine theta 90 is 1, so this becomes n2 is equals to n1 sine theta c. Now you can calculate the value of sine theta c, this becomes n2 upon n1. Now you know that, because you need to calculate this value of cos theta c, so you know the value of sine theta c, so you can use this formula. Cos theta, sine square theta plus cos square theta, this is the modified version of the sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1, so this becomes cos theta c, in place of theta this is cos theta c is equals to 1 minus sine square theta c. So this, you can put the value of sine theta c here, so this becomes 1 minus n2 upon n1 whole square. You can take the LCM, so this becomes n1 square minus n2 square upon n1. Let's say equation number 2. Now from first and second, you can put the value of cos theta c in equation first. You are putting the value of this cos theta c in equation first. What will happen? Now n naught sine theta naught is equals to n1. You can just replace this cos theta c by using this expression. You can put this value here, so this becomes n1, and now n1 will be cancelled out. So the final expression for the numerical aperture, that is the desired result of this derivation, becomes sin theta naught is equals to n1 square minus n2, because n naught is 1 for air के लिए 1 होता है. Now you just take the inverse of this equation. You are just calculating this angle. So this theta and theta naught, or you can say, let's say I angle, sometimes it is using I and sometimes using whatever be the notation. So this angle is known as acceptance angle. Now you can you understand what is the relation between the acceptance angle and numerical aperture. The sign of the acceptance angle is always equals to numerical aperture. So now I am just giving some definition. So this is a small derivation which is covered here. So I am just giving some definition. What is critical angle? Critical angle is the angle beyond which the light is coupled to the fiber. Now what is the definition of acceptance angle? Acceptance angle is the angle, मैक्सिमम एंगल एट विच द लाइट कपल, जिस एंगल पर लाइट क्या है आपके फाइबर में कपल हो जाती है. नाउ न्यूमेरिकल अपर्चर इज द साइन ऑफ एक्सेप्टेंस एंगल. सिंपल. Now I am just defining another important point. If light, sometimes in some books you will find light is coming from here, and in some books light is coming from here. So whatever be the value, if light is coming from here, so that it will go there, then this triangle will be in the upper side. So if I consider both side light is coming, so this will be a region, and this whole region is known as acceptance cone or the acceptance region. Acceptance region or the acceptance cone is basically the region in which only the light is coupled to the fiber, otherwise light will not couple to the fiber. In the next lecture we will there are some numericals on this, so you can do some numericals also, numerical problem on this on these formulas. So I am just giving you some numericals here. The refractive index of both is giving to you, and you can calculate the numerical aperture. So you can use this formula, and you can derive the numerical aperture of any optical fiber. Thank you.